Rick here again. I'm going to do a little update over here at the Shelby Street project. I got the insulators here today, and Thaddeus and I are going to be putting in some ceiling tile, so we'll try to get a little of that on video. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Let's see what we got going on today. My good friends over here at Superior Insulation are the ones that are doing the work today. As I talked about in one of our earlier videos, I'm going to have them foam the band sills, and then they're going to insulate the upper knee wall and the attic with some cellulose. So we'll see if we can get some pictures of that today. These guys are doing a little test spray here. Get the equipment set up. So what we've got now is we've got this air sealed all the way around the band sills in this basement and crawl space. See, they've got it all sealed up. It's dark over here, you can't see it, sorry. Now what they're going to do is they're going to take this cellulose here and that big round thing there, that piping, they're going to run it up through this window and pump all that stuff into the attic. Hey, Rick here again, and what I'm going to do is just show you how to put a single ceiling tile in without doing any cuts, and then here in a little bit we'll get up here and we'll measure some and show you how to do that. So basically, because this ceiling track you probably saw in the other video was really dirty and ugly, I think this one was actually painted black in here, so we repainted them white and we've got some new tile. And basically you're going to work it into these grooves and it just sets tight. Well, right now the ceiling grid is all kind of loose, but once you put all this tile in here, then it makes this a tight ceiling. So we're just going to work this piece in. Got to get it all the way in first. And if all goes well, it should fit right in there. And that's all there is to it.
WWBL, worldwide on the web, WWBL.com, playing more of your real country favorites, today's stars, and of course, the great.
She got up and said, I wish you guys would get your ass
we got here is we're using an insulated tile in this bathroom. That'll make it feel a little warmer in here, but it cuts down on the noise a little bit. So all these grids in here are just randomly laid, whoever put this grid work in. So every one of these tiles has to be cut. So what Thaddeus is doing, we've laid the tile up in there. He's marking it with his pencil, and then we're going to pull it back out of there and he'll cut it with the knife. Here's what you do when the knife blade is dull. You change the knife blade.
We bake like cookies in our pan. We're so lucky now. Natural glow instant sun mousse. Get us all sunshine and glowy. Smile. See, we look good. Well, I'm gonna print that on a mouse pad. What's a mouse pad? Create your own sunshine with natural glow instant sun. Jergen. Shine.
You work all day. Then go home and make dinner. That's not fair. Making your dinner.
Okay, now that he's got it cut, we're going to try to put it in and see if we have to cut any more. Like I said, normally if you would put the ceiling grid in correctly, this wouldn't be a problem, but I don't know who installed this, so we're working with it.
There we go. All right.
So how long are you going to be in school?
So I just started going back to school actually